Using this type of avatar, Tube Sensei gained 0 to 5 lakh subscribers. That too in just 67 videos. And nowadays, all faceless YouTubers are using these avatars because the advantage is that you can make your video editing 10 times better. That too in less time. So in this video, I will teach you exactly how to create a character like Tube Sensei in a very simple way. And yes, at the end of the video, there is a gift for you all, so don't skip the video. Okay, so to create this type of character, first we need a prompt, which I will provide in the video description. You can copy that prompt from there. After copying the prompt, go to ideogram.ai and paste your prompt there. Now set magic prompt to auto, select the size in which you want to generate the character, and then click on the generate button. Look at this, the avatar has been generated. Now select the one you like and download it. Now this is downloaded, but the quality is a bit low, so now we need to upscale the image. For that, search on Google for IMG, upscaler.com. Then click on Choose Image and select your avatar image. After that, in the ratio section, select 400% and then click on Upload and Start. Wait for a few moments, and after processing, click on the download button to download the upscaled image. Now we need to convert it into a video. For that, we will need mouth movement, and I will share the link in the comments. You can download it from there, or you can search on YouTube and download it. Now the last step is lip syncing. For that, we need to open both files in any video editor. I am using CapCut here. First, we add the upscaled image. Then we add the mouth movement video. Now we remove the green screen using chroma key. Next, we properly match the lip syncing with the face. I recommend that you do not make a video shorter than 10 seconds, as it will make editing easier later on. Once everything is properly matched, we export the video. Now, let's talk about the bonus, the gift. For those who are facing issues generating characters, I have shared some character links in the comments from Google Drive, so you can use them. And if you want to learn how to create professional thumbnails using AI, then click on this video now. Click now